In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account settings in Hubstaff. Whether you need to update your personal information, adjust your time zone, or maybe change your profile picture, I'll guide you through each step. So, let's get started right away. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you usually use. In the search bar, type Hubstaff and hit Enter. Once the search results pop up, click on the Hubstaff link to go to their official website. When you're there, you'll need to sign in. So, click on the Sign In button and provide your email address and password associated with your Hubstaff account. Now, once you've successfully logged into your Hubstaff account, take a look at the upper right corner of the interface. You'll notice your avatar or profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring down a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. For our purposes, you'll want to select My Account from this list. After clicking on My Account, you'll be directed to a page dedicated to your account details. Here, you have the opportunity to make several changes. Need to update your name due to a recent change? Go ahead and do that here. If your email address has changed, or if you prefer using a new one for Hubstaff, you can update that too. Maybe you're traveling or have relocated and need to set a new time zone. You'll find the option to change your time zone in this section as well. Additionally, if you'd like to add or update your phone number or Skype name, the fields are right there, ready for your new inputs. And if perhaps you're not a fan of your current profile picture, you can delete it or upload a new one to better represent yourself by accessing the picture settings. Once you've made all the desired changes, it's essential to remember one final but crucial step. You don't want all your efforts to go to waste, so make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This will ensure that all your updated information is securely stored and reflected in your Hubstaff account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your account settings in Hubstaff. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep your account details up to date and accurate, reflecting any personal changes you go through. I hope this guide was helpful, and be sure to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.